that performance against CSB. Sabi ko nga, we lack the aggressiveness, we lack the effort. Going up against a deep and talented team, you cannot lack that one. You cannot lack effort and aggressiveness. With the sure ball, didiinan ka ng mga mas malalakas na team sa'yo. Taller and much talented. So, didiinan ka. So, I talked to them about it and emphasize roles, kung sino yung kung ano yung role nila sa team, and everyone is very vital for this win. Yung each role na ginagampanan nila is very vital. Kasi nandiyan yung Benil, nandiyan yung Mapua, nandiyan yung San Beda. So we just want to be the dark horse, kasi para hayaan mo na yung limelight sa kanila, kami dark horse lang. Hayaan mo na kung as much as possible gusto lang namin gawin yung trabaho namin each day, practice and prepare hard for each win.